ರಚಿತಾ ಗೋರವಲ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದ ಬೇಗಮನ್ ಕಾ ಭೋಪಾಲ್ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟೇರಿಯಂ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಚಿತ್ರವು ಮರೆತು ಹೋದ ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೆನಪಿಸುವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರವು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಶಿಶು ಹತ್ಯೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಳೆಯಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಭಾವನೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇತಿಹಾಸದೊಳಗಿನ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾಖಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
थकन के नतीजे आराम करने की जगह कब्रिस्तान होगी, जहाँ गहरा सन्नाटा और वीरानी राज करते हैं।
I had elements that I wanted to sort of use to evoke nostalgia. Like, I knew where I wanted to place the writer. I knew how I wanted to shoot the old lady. I knew what all elements I wanted to use in the film that sort of evoke nostalgia. But structurally, it was very like memory, very broken, something which was not consciously linear. So that was the idea that I had. And elements like water, old buildings, ruins, old people. So those little elements which are like archetypes, like the old woman. So those I sort of had in my mind that I wanted to play with that. So it was, I think more than visual, we paid a lot of emphasis on the sound, because sound is definitely something that evokes more. It evokes imagination. So we wanted to create those sounds that are hollow, are sort of like reminiscence. So that was
what, basically the history of Bhopal or the loss of royalty, or
what
you could expand on that.
What do you feel when you see the film?
I do get a bit of sadness that they lost their status and they don't really have anything to refer back to.
Is there anything that you connect with in the film? Like, does it engage with you?
It does. I actually remember my past, that I was quite different, and right now I'm different.
What it evokes in you, does it remind you of a past that you lived? Does it remind anybody? It can be anywhere, it's something that, yes, has Bhopal in its context, but the idea is to actually make it very personal, the feeling.